You've probably heard this before. Something stops working. Your computer is slow, your phone freezes, an app will not open, and the first advice you hear is, have you tried turning it off and on again? It sounds almost too simple, but the funny thing is, it often works. Today on Zyber, we're going to slow this down and explain why restarting your device actually fixes so many problems. No fear, just clarity. Even when your device looks calm, a lot can be happening in the background. Apps may still be running, browser tabs may still be active, updates may be waiting, notifications may be checking in. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, storage, and system services are all doing small jobs behind the scenes. Most of the time this works smoothly, but sometimes one small thing gets stuck, and that can make the whole device feel slower or less reliable. Technology does not always fail, in dramatic ways. Sometimes an app freezes, sometimes a browser tab stops responding, sometimes Bluetooth will not connect, sometimes the internet feels broken, even when the connection is fine. A restart helps, because it closes everything that is currently running. Then it starts the device again, from a cleaner state. Instead of trying to fix every stuck piece individually, you give the whole system a fresh start. Your device uses memory to keep active things ready. Open apps, recent tasks, temporary information, background activity. This is normal, but over time, that temporary memory can become crowded or messy. Restarting clears that temporary working space. It does not delete your photos. It does not erase your documents. It does not remove your saved files. It simply clears the temporary activity your device was using to keep things running. That is one reason a restart can make things feel smoother. Another reason restarting helps is updates. Some updates cannot fully finish while the device is still running. That is because the system may need to replace files that are already in use. A restart gives the device a safe moment to finish those changes. That is why updates often say, restart required. It is not just trying to annoy you. Sometimes the restart is the part that completes the fix. Restarting is especially useful when something feels temporary. For example, an app freezes, a device feels slow, Wi-Fi acts strange, Bluetooth will not connect, a printer disappears, an update seems stuck. In those situations, a restart is a good first step, not because it is magic, but because it clears temporary problems and reloads the system cleanly. It is simple, but it is not silly. But restarting does not fix everything. If a problem keeps coming back, there may be something deeper going on. Full storage, a failing battery, broken hardware, unsupported software, a bad update, or an app that needs to be removed or repaired. So think of restarting as a first step, not the final answer to every problem. It resets the moment. It does not solve every cause. So why does turning it off and on again work? Because your device gets a clean start. Stuck apps close, temporary memory clears, background tasks reload, updates can finish, and small glitches often disappear. Restarting is not magic. It is just one of the simplest ways to give technology a fresh beginning.
Cybersecurity doesn't have to be scary or complicated. Here in Zyber, we show you how to make it simple, practical, and even a little fun. Stay smart, stay secure. This has been Z. Till next time.